Hello student, now we continue our lecture interhalogen compound. So let's start interhalogen compound. We have seen that all halogen molecules are diatomic. Diatomic means, for example, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. They form binary compound with hydrogen, with oxygen they form oxyacid, and with halogen they form interhalogen compound. So what do you mean by interhalogen compound? Now if we define interhalogen compound, so an interhalogen compound is a molecule which contain two or more different halogen atoms. It is called interhalogen compound. The general formula of interhalogen compound is XYN. That means, suppose XYN. N means N equal to 1 or 3 or 5 or 7. And here X means less electronegative of the two halogen. Student, although all halogen belong to the same group, you know that halogen contains 17 groups. They have different electronegativity. Due to this difference in electronegativity, two or more halogen atoms combine to form ionic or a neutral compound. Neutral molecules are called interhalogen compound. For example, ClF or BrF3. An interhalogen compound regarded as the halide of more electropositive halogen. A given halogen form an interhalogen compound only with the halogen having less electronegative. That means one has less electronegative, another is high electronegative. Here are various types of interhalogen compound. For the compound, if we observe chlorine, ClF, ClF3, ClF5. Bromine, BrF, BrF3, BrF5, and with chloride, BrCl. In iodine, IF3, IF, IF5, IF7. With chloride, ICl, ICl3. With bromide, IBr. Iodide here do not form interhalogen compound. Now we discuss classification. So the classification depending on their composition. Interhalogen compounds are classified into 4 types. XS, XX3, XX5, XX7. Here are show of the example. XXClF, XX3, ClF3, XX5, Cl, ClF5, and XX7, that means IF7. So these are type of interhalogen compound. We discuss general characteristics of interhalogen compound. So you know that we discussed already. The compound is considered as the halide of X. For example, ClF. Here the halogen having larger size is chlorine. It is more electropositive than the fluorine, and hence the interhalogen compound is named as chlorine monofluoride. Here is the number of atom X attached to X. As the ratio radius of X is show of radius of X test. Increase the value of N increases. Interhalogen compound have even number of atoms like 2, 4, 6, 8. For example, ClF3, that means here are 4 atoms. The properties of interhalogen compound are generally intermediate between those of halogen from which they are made, and the central halogen exhibit different oxidation state in different halogen compound. Number of X atom in the compound is always odd, and they all are diamagnetic in nature.